Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live again from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. We're on top of the world out here, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. And what is going on with the crypto markets? What the heck is going on? We're seeing that, yesterday we had the GDP data that came out, and from that perspective the GDP data was down, and we should be in full-blown recession, but you guys can't believe what happened. The crypto markets pumped, the stock market pumped, and this is just really counterintuitive. So I'm surprised, you should be surprised. We got lots to talk about, absolutely lots to talk about. Don't forget, we got the max pain level, we've got the huge CME futures expiring, absolutely expiring today, and with the max pain level is around about $23,000. So that is really telling, and I believe that Bitcoin is going to stay at $23,000. We're not going to go anywhere near below that because that's a max pain level. We got lots to talk about. We're also seeing that a lot of the earnings from Apple and other companies are better than expected. That's also driving a lot of positivity, a lot of positivity in the markets, guys. So that is huge, absolutely huge. So this is totally unexpected. Oh my God, this is good. We're seeing that we're about to blast off, and our next resistance, absolutely next resistance for Bitcoin is around about $26,000. So we could be seeing a $26,000 coming in. We're seeing that on the MACD is about to flip for Bitcoin, and this is very positive, guys. So we're seeing a lot of stuff happening. Also too, we're seeing a lot of options expirations for Ethereum as well. So we're going to talk about the max pain level there as well, guys and gals. So also looks like Celsius out there, they're using a third party, and looks like all of the Celsius customers' emails have been leaked out there, leaked, and it's the same company that is doing all the email security and everything for OpenCIO. So it looks like there's a big leak. One of the employees basically took the database, and I think they sold it out there. So that is not good. So more and more trouble for Celsius out there. Absolutely a debacle. And we're also seeing a lot of decentralized exchanges are actually starting to pump right now. We're seeing that Uniswap is up like 144%. So a lot of people are waking up, getting wiser, and realizing that centralized exchanges are crappity crap out there, and they're absolutely moving their crypto to hardware wallets like a Nano Ledger. Go check out the links, guys. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing my opinion. And guys and gals, let's jump into the content. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole. Let's get it right now. So let's jump into the content right now, guys and gals. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all of them. This we win. I thought this was a huge video, lots of power, lots of momentum, and a lot of things that we're talking about, and we're seeing that it's going to be amazing. I told you it's going to be amazing next week, and it is absolutely coming to fruition, guys. And don't forget to once again get your crypto off exchanges, and get your crypto onto hardware wallets. This is so important. Remember, if you don't own the keys, you do not own the crypto, guys. So it's so important that you do that. Let's take a look at what's going on right now. We can see that yesterday the U.S. markets, they absolutely pumped, even though the GDP data was down. We did see the markets pump. So this is fantastic news, and this is unprecedented because I wasn't expecting that. We saw the Nasdaq was up 1%. We saw the S&P was up 1.21%. We saw the Dow Jones was up as well, about 1.03%. So this is cool beans, and we're absolutely seeing that crypto is taking off right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is at $23,799 in the house. We're seeing Ethereum is pumping. And don't forget that we got the CME futures I told you in the intro is absolutely expiring today, New York time, and we're going to be seeing that the max pain level for that is around about $23,000. So that is why I don't believe that we're going to be seeing, Bitcoin is going to be going lower than that. So also too, we have 1.19 billion of Ethereum expiration set to expire tomorrow, and we can expect that Ethereum is probably going to hold its price, and we're seeing that the max pain level for Ethereum is around about $1,600. So I think that level is absolutely going to hold, absolutely hold. Worst thing we could see is that Bitcoin could go down. I mean, Ethereum could go down to $1,600. We're also seeing out there that right now the max pain level for the expirations, as I said, this Friday is 23K. So I'm feeling pretty bullish. I'm feeling pretty positive about Bitcoin right now and where we're sitting. And you guys can see that the S&P futures rise after strong Apple and Amazon earning. So really, everyone was expecting that Apple's earnings should be going down, down. But in fact, Apple's earnings, they actually went up and also Amazon earnings went up as well. I was really expecting that definitely Amazon earnings were going to be going down, but in fact they went up, and that is quite surprising because I thought that people would be tightening, people would be less spending, and people would be more thrifty. But it looks like Amazon still beat the street, and that is amazing. Don't forget, we've still got coming out on Friday. We've got the PCI inflation index that's coming out. We've got the core PCE price index that's coming as well. So things are looking pretty good, absolutely pretty good out there for cryptocurrency. And guys, this is going to absolutely blow your mind. We can see that the fear and greed index, wow, for the first time in a very long time, we are now at the precipice of switching into a green zone, and we can see that the fear is lessening and lessening. And remember, sentiment is driving price. Sentiment is driving price, and we can see that the sentiment is becoming very positive. So let's jump into Bitcoin right now. So as you guys can see, that Bitcoin is at 23,800 some change time recording, and this area here was absolutely huge resistance level. We did break past that 22,800. We are staying above that, so that is confirmation. Our next resistance level is around about 26,700. So I believe that we could absolutely be seeing 26,700 coming. That's going to take up Ethereum. That's going to take up all the altcoins, and we start to see things pumping. Bitcoin is looking absolutely fantastic. On the weekly, we're seeing another weekly candle, so we've got about 2 days at 21 hours left. Definitely we're going to be printing a green candle out there, and that is huge, absolutely huge out there. So you guys should be pretty pumped. You guys should be pretty psyched out there. And I think that our next level, 25,000, 26,000 is a no-brainer out there. Let's get it while we can, guys. So it is a great time to be alive. And if you take a look at all the coinage right now, let's take a look at all the coinage. Let's go to the first page out there. If you scroll down, technical difficulties out there. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is at 23,827, and that is up 2.45%. We're seeing that on the 30-day right now. We're cruising along at 17%. We're seeing Ethereum is up 50%, almost 50% on 30 days. We're seeing that BNB is coming back at 20% over the last 30 days. So things are looking pretty good. We're seeing ADA is above 51 cents. We're seeing Solana is absolutely on fire at $43. We're seeing the Dogecoin is about to break past 7 cents in the house. So things are looking pretty good from that perspective. What is coming in? This is from Michael Hayward in house. We're seeing the 3-day MAC bull cross playing out like clockwork, and this is a very bullish sign, guys. So this is very bullish, and this just gives some more credence that we're going to be going uppity up. You can see that the Bitcoin, the number of whales in the network holding equal or more than 10,000 Bitcoin has increased by 7.3% since July. So people are still holding, the conviction is still out there, and we're seeing that the number of Bitcoin addresses with less than 1 Bitcoin is also increasing. So the retail investors are jumping back in. So the FOMO is about to start. Let's take a listen to what Jeremy Powell has to say. Jeremy Powell is really convinced that there is no recession out there. So let's take a listen to what he has to say.
Thanks, Chair Powell. Axios. To build a little bit on what Steve was asking, do you believe the United States is currently in a recession? Will the GDP reading tomorrow affect that judgment one way or the other? And has your assessment of the risk of recession changed any in recent weeks?
So, I do not think the U.S. is currently in a recession. And the reason is there are just too many areas of the economy that are performing.
So as you can see, Jeremy Powell's absolutely delusional out there. He doesn't believe that we're in a recession, but we've had 2 quarters where the GDP is down. So it still seems that people on the Hill are still in delusion zone. And I don't know what that is. Is somebody telling them, look, stop saying the R word because they're afraid of getting beaten up? And right now for Ethereum, we're seeing with the candlestick close above 1680, it appears that Ethereum is heading to 1800. So we could absolutely be seeing an $1,800 Ethereum absolutely coming in, guys. So that would be fantastic. And where we're seeing Ethereum right now, Ethereum has finally broken past the 1640 area. So that is fantastic in the house. This is going to be changed to green. So I'm feeling pretty positive about Ethereum as well. And don't forget, when the merge comes, the number of Ethereum that is mined every day is going down, down. So that means there's going to be less Ethereum released every day, and that's going to send Ethereum price up. So things are looking pretty good. Our next level of resistance, as far as I can see, is about 2,200. I believe that $1,800 absolutely in like fins. So that's a great time to be alive, guys. I love it. What else is coming in? So we talked about Jeremy Powell, delusional zone. We talked about Ethereum is going to be heading up to 1,800 bucks. What else is coming in? Looks like the White House has created a new position, just created to advise the U.S. president on crypto. So looks like they're going to have a new blockchain advisor. So let's hope it's not somebody like Gary Gensler in the house, because when we all heard of Gary Gensler joining and becoming the SEC chairman, and he did come from MIT, he was teaching blockchain. We thought that he would be a very positive person, but it looks like he was a Trojan horse. He's actually a crypto Debbie Downer out there. So let's hope whoever advises bye Biden that he will have some knowledge and he will be positive for crypto. So this is coming in from documenting Bitcoin, and it looks like Bitcoin has potential to become worth over $10 million a coin. Wow. So this is what's coming in. You can see that gold right now, is at, we're seeing that gold, Bitcoin pull potential about 5.2 times. Bitcoin capture rate is about 48%. And we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin could be worth $10 million in the future. Can you guys imagine a $10 million Bitcoin? That would be insane in the membrane. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. What is going on for Dogecoin? We're seeing Dogecoin is just doing fantastic. Dogecoin had a huge blast off yesterday. This GDP data, the market's pumped. I was expecting, with the GDP data that everything was going to be going down. So I was absolutely wrong. We're seeing that from the bottom here of 6 cents to where we are right now, Dogecoin has gone up around 17%. So Doge is looking very, very good. I think that from where we are right now, to get ourselves to around about 8 cents. We only need about 13% or more to go. And I think that Dogecoin is definitely going to be breaking out, and we could be hitting 8 cents. So 8 cents is the holy grail. You guys all know the facts that Dogecoin has a new website. Go over there, take a look at that. You're going to love it. I love it. And let's take a look at the Dogecoin informatics right now. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now, let's get it. Hopefully this is refreshed. Let's get it. Refresh. We're seeing that Dogecoin right now is 52% are in the money and 45% out. And right now we're neutral. I think Dogecoin is getting ready to blast off out there. So let's take a look at the Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu, exactly as predicted, it is back above the green support level, and that is indicative of a bit of a run, and we could be seeing that Shiba Inu is going to be moving itself to around about 13 in the house. So expect about 13 in the house. So Shiba Inu is looking pretty good. This whole setup is just been confirmed, and we are breaking to the upside. So Shiba Inu, let's go. Woof woof. You're gonna love it. I love it. Let's get it right now. Let's take a look at the DXY. The DXY is going down, so that is helping and supporting crypto right now. That is helping also rise up the Bitcoin price. So that is fantastic in the house, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap. Let's get out of here, guys. So right now we're seeing the total market cap, booyah, is at 1.1 trillion. We're seeing that the volumes are 86.36 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is coming down. So that is fantastic in the house, guys and gals. So this is just a quickie update with GDP data negative, markets pumped. GDP negative, crypto pumps. Crypto is going to the moon. Everything is going uppity up. Earnings are beating expectations. So if this continues, we could see a massive $25,000 Bitcoin coming in. We could see an $1,800 Ethereum coming in. We could see a 8-cent Dogecoin coming in. So this is a fantastic time to be alive. We're seeing that decentralized exchanges are pumping. Uniswap is up 144%. So it is a great time to be alive. So guys and gals, do go down there, boot the likes, smash the likes, subscribe. I'm calling you out. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys. Don't forget to check out all the linky links, guys. All the links are down below. Guys, someone sent me 72 Dogecoin yesterday. I want to thank you so much for that. God bless you out there. We do have the Dogecoin Tip Jar. Show some love, share some love, send some Dogecoin. And guys, go follow and go click on my Nano Ledger affiliate link. It doesn't cost you more, guys. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel coffee. And remember, all the merch, all the memberships, all of that goes to charity, guys. Get the merch, gear with OG gear. And guys and gals, don't forget to become members, guys. You get member perks and you get access to a private WhatsApp group, guys. So get it. You want it, I want it. Let's get it. I just want to say God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Get the message out there. I love it. You love it. Peace out.